Hello there, YouTube! It's me, 1Gamma13. Oh my gosh, I can't stop singing. Oh, joy! I'm back with this game again. Well, I'm actually recording this right after I finished. Oh gosh, these guys. Hey, little buddies. Did I kill it? No, I didn't. There's another one of you guys. There we go. Killed him. So, yeah, solar array elevator. Warning, solar array offline. Why? I think I've seen footage of this area. I'm going to be scared crapless.
Docking pod is off the Maglev. An engineering work order has been issued.
Gosh, dang it.
Ellie, I ran into a snag. It looks like the docking pod that runs to the solar array is floating at the bottom of the shaft.
That figures.
Where is it?
Don't worry, I can
It
fix
said
it.
it's floating somewhere
I'm heading
down
outside to
there.
have a look.
Is that it? Oh, please tell me I get to go in 0G and not freaking death everywhere. Please tell me 0G. Mind the gravity. I want that as a freaking poster on my wall. Should the red tip to move the object? Wait, is that the pod I'm gonna fly in? Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Thumbnail! No, wait, better yet. No. Isaac. Gosh darn it. Okay, thumbnail. There. I'm going to get one where he's facing away from the camera and it'll look all cool and such. But no. Am I going to have to shoot that thing? I don't know. What's this? Gosh. Controlling the 3D environment with, like, ground controls is just irritating. It's hard to get used to. Oh, sweet. A Ripper Blade schematics acquired. Oh man, that's just beautiful. Even though I could see the pixels on the flat image. But still, that would be beautiful if you could just wake up in the morning, go to your work, and see that. That would be awesome. Man, I would love a job where I could just stare at space endlessly. Oh gosh, something's going to attack me. Power node. Anything going to attack me here? No? There we go.
Ellie, I've got the elevator repaired. I'm heading up to the array. How's Strauss doing?
How do you think he's doing? Can you hear this shit?
He's hallucinating, Ellie. It's part of the sickness.
This is going to be
Cool.
trouble.
That looks
It
nice.
is.
Also, weird for an elevator not... Like, in the future, I wouldn't think that they would have to use futuristic stuff like this to freaking work in elevator. Seriously, all you need is some strong cables and pulleys and stuff like that. You don't need freaking telekinetic machinery to move an elevator. That's just stupid. Oh, wait, am I supposed to just jump right into it? Yeah. That's not going to come any closer. Or... No, I'm actually going to have to. There we go. Something's going to pop out. I constantly expect something to pop out. Nope, now it's good. Hey, dude! There we go. And before I move any further, I'm going to store that or sell it because I don't have the freaking rifle for that. Yeah, I'm sorry for putting you guys through all this. Just bear with me. I'm one of those guys that can't just drop something, and I need my inventory to be efficient and all that stuff. Yeah, Ripper Blades, blah blah blah. Oh, now I can buy those. Huh. But that's not what I'm here for. I need to move those. Okay, let's keep moving. So, yeah. What to talk about? What to talk about other than the ludicrousness of space elevators? Like, seriously, you don't need an elevator to be this huge. I don't care that it's in the space station. Elevators don't need to be this huge. They especially don't need to be this huge when the doorway is only that small, because you know that you can only fit stuff in this elevator that can fit in the doorway. Now I know obviously what's going to happen next. There's going to be monsters that'll pop out and attack me in this elevator. Now, again, my major complaint is that this space elevator is unrealistic. This is kind of just a waste of resources and such. Especially since you don't have a door big enough to utilize all this space. Like, I can understand if the door was bigger because that would imply that you take big stuff in and out from here. But that door is so small that you wouldn't be able to fit anything big in here. Or maybe they just transport a lot of objects around that size and just line them up all along the edges of this. But then again, that wouldn't really issue. Oh dear gosh, that thing's back. Oh, hey, dude. Wait, there's multiple ones? What are they going to actually do? Oh, hey. Come on. Just stay still. Seriously. Okay, this is also unrealistic. If these necromorphs were built from human matter, like they were built from humans, it wouldn't really make sense. Oh man, is that this solar system's... Oh, never mind. Yeah, so is the place... Yep, place filled back up with oxygen and something's going to pop through that. I heard a monster. I'm not going out there. Seriously, I heard... Oh, it's those freaking things. Oh. I have to deal with those guys. Okay, I should probably check how much of each... I only have about 5 shots on that, so yeah, I'm going to conserve a bit. Wait, where the heck is the majority of my ammo? I seriously thought I had more than this. Interesting. Next time I get to a store, I need to buy some ammo. Or at least find it somewhere. Seriously, I'd expect something to crawl out and get me. But apparently no. Oh, ooh. He nearly got me. I might not need buy ammo since I'm finding it freaking everywhere. So yeah, back to as I was saying, that space elevator is unrealistic in its shortest term. There. Okay, I think I have to call bullcrap on that. Okay, why are there birds? And why were the birds hanging out here and not in like a topiary or something? Oh, hey, you.
To solar array Sigma 055. Proper
Oh.
identification is required. Please wait here. Watchman Howard Phillips will be with you shortly.
Who? Oh, this is just lovely. And I interact with her like in Mass Effect. No. Okay. Oh, hi, little birdie. I want to try this. Nope, birds are immortal. Birds are now our mortal gods. Oh, hey. You. Are you the guy that I meant to talk to? Yeah, it appears that you're not doing a good enough job. The solar arrays were kind of offline right now, and I need them turned back online. So, if you could get right to it. Thanks. Thanks. Just get back to me when they're ready. He's not going to do it, is he? There is no way he's going to do that. Yay, another text log found. I'm only at the 12-minute mark. Okay, personal log, Howard Phillips. Record number 302. I want to go home. Auntie clamps she didn't get a response. Auntie claims she didn't get a response to my transfer request, but it's the 5th one. How could there be 5 requests and no response? Surely someone is getting them, someone is reading them. I hate to admit it, but the loneliness up here is really more intense than I expected. I think it's starting to affect me. The only good news is that Auntie claims to have authorized my shipment request. They're supposed to be arriving later today, but I can't believe anything she tells me. I've been asking for so long, it's hard to believe that they might actually let me have my birds time out will tell. Tonight will tell, actually. So yeah, it seems like he did get his birds. The little birds that are just, ew. Yeah, that's kind of why I don't have birds. Or any pets for that matter. I don't know. Jeez, dude. Yes, for your birds. Are these all of them? Are they all your freaking birds? Dear gosh, man. Oh gosh, they're even defecating on the walls. Is there another one? No? Ooh, a soda machine. If only I had a bench somewhere to upgrade it. Objective, store, bench. There's a bench in there. Objective, yeah. I'm gonna save quickly right here, and then shop at the store. Oh.
Your route is not authorized to access this area. Please step away from the door.
Hey, jeez, I'm just going to the save point. Man, I'm being harassed all the freaking time by machines. Yeah. What am I at? 14 minutes or so? Yeah. Yeah, I can keep going. Jeez, computer, stop it.
Please step away from the door.
Oh, okay, so I'm supposed to drag his body. Yeah, force gun. What's the force gun? Oh my gosh, that just looks like a mishmash of plates. Plates? Like metal slabs. Primary fire. Press R1 for a short-range, high-powered blast of kinetic energy with wide area of effect. Secondary fire, press R2 for a long-range, tight-radius energy projectile. That one sounds interesting, but I should probably... How much ammo? 12 for 87. 8. What should I buy? Probably buy some of those. Some of those. Maybe some of that. Some more of that. And some of that. How am I looking at now? Oh, yeah, I might as well sell those since I'm practically never going to use it. Also the seeker ammo, I guess. Yeah, I'm never going to use... Oh my gosh, that was a close-up, if anything. So yeah, yeah, I need to take this guy, shove him over here.
Rig authorization.
Wow, that freaking...
Greetings, Station Watchman Howard Phillips. I hope you slept well.
Yeah, he's sleeping permanently now. Gosh, my eyes are playing freaking tricks on me. Gosh. Can't freaking take it in here.
Unauthorized visitor detected. Auto defenses.
Other
activated.
defenses?
Station Watchman Howard Phillips. Please provide verbal access code to authorize your guest.
Shoot. I didn't bring them with me so I can mess around with his vocal cords. What to do? What can I get? Do I... Oh gosh! Yeah. I heard something. I freaking heard something. There's another node. Seriously, I freaking hear one of those monsters crawling about. Howard, you're coming with me. I feel like he's going to be useful later on. There we go. I'm starting to get to be a better shot. So I think this is an elevator that's disarmed or something. Yeah, but I do have to say this would be an awesome place to work. And I just had to use that. I can't stand to see my health on half. What's going to... Ow! Okay, bull crap. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. That was bull crap. I have to say. That was totally uncalled for. Seriously. Where is he? Can I go up this elevator? No? What's gonna go wrong? Seriously. Ow! Bullcrap. Oh gosh, those freaking babies! Run from the babies! Babies! Get back! Get back! You're not getting your treats. Don't let me freaking die here. Don't let me die by the hands of babies. Gosh, dang it. I hate you so much. Holy heck. That was bullcrap if I've ever seen it at its finest. I nearly died because of freaking babies. And another text log to read against this gorgeous background. Personal log, Howard Phillips. Record number 466. I've been trying to stay out of range of Auntie's interference as much as I can. I don't want to hear her excuses anymore about my transfer request. Every time I ask, I just get computerized bullcrap. 23 requests. I've put in 23 requests. Not one response. I know she's lying. I know she never sent them. I showed Auntie though. I'll let all my birds out of their cages at lunch. It was beautiful. I let all my birds out of their cages at lunch. It was beautiful. They were all flying around, free and happy. I wish I could be them. Auntie was shouting regulations and talking about abnormal profiles. I didn't care. I danced with the birds all day. I love my birds. I want to go home. So that's the type of bird I kept. Or, like, the bird itself isn't weird, just... Why is there a station recharge? Oh gosh. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done one of these freaking puzzles.
Unauthorized engagement of access lift detected. Please respond.
And there we go. Did you hack it somehow to recognize me? Please. Please, that'll be oh so helpful. I hear them. I hear them coming! Where are they coming from? Like, I just turn around and they're freaking there. Seriously, I would like to know where they're coming from. Do I have to get up there somehow? I'm trying to think of what I need to do. Oh, now I can use this elevator. Yeah, I just knew it would come into play eventually. Oh, too late, Slowpoke. And here's the bench. Yay! Oh gosh. How do you get up? Oh well. Bench. Time to upgrade some more. So I have 4 nodes. Rig. I'll put like 1 into that. 1 into the damage on the color. I would also like capacity increase. There we go. Sorry. Oh gosh, I'm actually starting to get near the end. I don't know, I might have to end it pretty soon. Yeah.
Mark, I know you're up there. Understand that even if you survive long enough to restore power, there is no escape. All routes in and out of government center are being monitored.
Give up, there is no chance. Blah, blah, blah. I am freaking Isaac Clarke. Don't you know who I am? I do whatever I please. How to do this? The game put a save state right here for me. Aw, that's so sweet. So, let's throw a monkey wrench into the works. There we go. Yeah, thought you'd keep me away from these. I got another node. Wow, I'm trigger happy today. I think I might record 1 more episode after this. I'm not sure. Maybe an episode of just something random I want to record. I don't know. What should I upgrade? I could upgrade that. I could upgrade that, so I can turn down the reload. That would actually be pretty nice. Yeah, reducing reload is always one of my favorite things to do for guns in video games, if I'm ever given the chance. Yeah, it's just something I do. And also, second off, I think the 4 weapons that I have right now might be the weapons I use throughout the game, so yeah, I'm going to cut it off here. So, as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Let's Play. I know I have so far. It's pretty fun, and I still call bullcrap on a few things, but put a like and a favor on the video if you felt that way about it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. Just go down and press that little button that says subscribe. And tell your friends and family and acquaintances about this channel. And I hope to see you all later.